Hello everyone and welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. It's Monday today and me and my housemates have taken the day off work today to celebrate our birthdays. They're all quite close together. Rianne's is at the kind of towards the end of October and Stella's is at the beginning of November. So yeah, we decided that instead of presents this year we were just going to have like a really nice girly day out where we just treat ourselves, and it's going to be really fun. Today's the day. We've decided to go for brunch to start our day in like no makeup, just scruffy, to our favourite coffee shop. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we've got a nice day planned later. We've decided that we're going to go and see the Comedy Store tonight. They've got like an open mic night on and we thought it would be really fun to do, so we've got tickets for that. We're going to have dinner at Dishoom and we're going to go and get some happy hour cocktails as well before that. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a nice day. We've been looking forward to this for ages. We did want to have a massage in there somewhere, but we haven't been very good at planning the day, so hopefully we'll do that around Christmas, maybe as Christmas presents to each other. But I'm just packing up my bag to go now. But it's a nice start to the week, little Monday treat. We had our housewarming party on Saturday and the house is looking really cute. So let me show you the fireplace quickly. Look how cute this all looks. Got one of my favourite vases with some gypsophilia, and I'm not sure what these were. Can you remember, Ree? No. All the candles. Aniela, my friend, got us some sunflowers, which are really nice. Stella is exhibiting her paintings at this cafe, so this is the first time we're seeing it. Look how cool they are. We've got more over here. So she's been working on these since we've been in the flat, and they are so cool. They're available to buy as well. I'm going to leave the link down below as well for your website still, so people can look at the prints as well. This is my breakfast. Well, it's a bit of a brunch really. A croque monsieur with egg. We've got vegan, gluten-free brekkie here, and another one here. Ready to ramp up? Are you ready? Hey, are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, are you ready? Hey. What is wrong with us? We are home from the coffee shop. Now we are going to get ready for our girly day out. We're going to do our makeup. We're going to dress up a bit as well, I think. Our first stop, well, our second stop on our girly day is a wine bar that Stella's brought us to in Neal's Yard, which is near Covent Garden. This is our second glass of wine, and the woman here has such good recommendations. So I basically said to her that I love sweet wine, so she gave me, for the first one, she gave me a Vouvray, and she said if I go into a bar and ask for a Vouvray, then they'll know, it'll sound like I know what I'm talking about, which is great. And then for my second one, I've got a port, which looks like this, and it's so good. These are the girls with their reds. This place is called Compagnie Divines. Compagnie Divines. 7 dials. Oh my god, my speech is getting slurred already. It's gone to my head. It's really nice though.
You're drinking a really strong one.
I know.
Yeah.
Yum.
You know,
it's like dessert wine.
You know you said this is our second stop. When was our first stop?
Brunch!
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Also, this is behind what it looks like. It's really cute.
That's a little vegan cafe.
Yeah, we should go to the Wild Food Cafe. We've just popped into the Abnormal Beauty Company store in Covent Garden, where they have, it's like Decium, where they have Neod and The Ordinary, and Stella and Rihanna just getting colour matched to The Ordinary's foundation. But I just love the decor in here, it's so cute. Look at this. I want my bedroom to look like this. Studio lights. It's very like, what's the word? Industrial. Test tubes. We've come to Dishoom for dinner today. I'm very excited. We've got loads of food to share, mostly all gluten-free and some vegan bits and stuff.
We're gonna squeeze some lime.
Yeah. We are home now. I thought I would let you say hello again to Current Bun because he hasn't been in my vlog for a while. He's properly tame. He's very cute. He's so much more chilled than girls I've had in the past, although he's getting a bit fast now. Aren't you? I love him so much. We probably bonded, haven't we, little one? Haven't we bonded? No, you're not going up there. yeah, his little personality's coming out. He's very adventurous, but he will, he's also a little bit jumpy still, so. You're loving life, aren't you, little one? You're getting fast. Wanna come down? You wanna go in your ball? You like your ball, don't you? So we went to the comedy store tonight, which was really fun. Saw like an open mic night. It was quite brutal. People had 5 minutes, and if they didn't like them, then the audience could basically like choose who had their time cut shorter. So it was quite brutal but really funny. Had a good night out. I would highly recommend to anyone that's in need of something fun to do in London, which isn't too expensive. I think we paid like £11 each, which is quite good. Getting to bed, I'm so tired. I feel like I haven't worked in a week because I've been away, and so I'm feeling quite anxious about everything that I've got to do, but I'm hoping to film some Halloween content over the next couple of days, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. But I will see you shortly. Morning guys, it's Tuesday today. I'm in a bad mood. I'm just not feeling very happy at the moment. The past couple of days I've been feeling really low, and I think it's my seasonal affective disorder kicking in, but it doesn't normally start this early. It's normally like just before the clocks go back. I'm not in a great mood, but I'm gonna just focus on filming lots of videos. Well, one proper video that I've been looking forward to for ages today. I think one of the reasons I'm feeling so low is because I haven't had any time to myself recently. I am an introvert and I really get my energy from spending time alone, whereas I know some extroverts get their energy from being around people. I'm the complete opposite. Like, I get drained when I spend time with people, and if I don't have time to recharge then by myself, then I just feel really just really low and depressed, and that is what's happening at the moment, because I obviously went on holiday and didn't have any time to myself really, because I was with my family, which I would never ever turn down spending time with my family. But then I went straight onto the retreat and I didn't really have any me time then, apart from when I was sleeping. And then I've come back and we've had a housewarming party at the weekend. Today's the first day that I've got back at home, at work, by myself, and I'm really looking forward to just having a day by myself, which sounds so sad, but it's definitely needed. Does anyone else ever feel like this? Or yeah. I'll be fine, I'm sure. Oh, I bought some CBD oil yesterday from Holland & Barrett. I know it's getting really popular at the moment, and I've done some research on it and I decided to get some. It looks like this. So I'm going to be using this for to help with my sleep and my not anxiety as such. I don't think I have anxiety, but I have a lot of worries, and my brain's constantly worrying, and maybe it is anxiety, I'm not entirely sure. But I'm hoping this will help me sleep as well. So I'm going to try this. Has anyone else tried CBD oil? So today's video is to film a Halloween tutorial that I've been looking forward to for ages. I love filming Halloween makeup content. I do it every year and I really look forward to it every year. So I've just dug out all my Halloween prop boxes. So gosh, I haven't looked in this one for a while. Oh god, will it even open? So this is full of all my Halloween makeup, loads of glitters, and then just palettes that I wouldn't normally wear, like this pastel one from Kat Von D. Then I have this box which is full of wigs, all my Halloween wigs. These are all from eBay. I love them all, they're all great. And then I've also just purchased a couple more bits specifically for the looks that I want to do this time round. So I've got some 3D gel, which is what I'm going to be using today. Liquid latex, I've never really used this, but it looks really fun to create these weird, scary scar things. And then I bought this palette. I got all of these from Amazon. I'll leave links down below. Face paints. I thought it would be just quite good to have a block of bog standard face paints to use. So I am going to get ready, get all my products together that I want to use for this particular one, and then I am going to stick up a background. I've got some massive sheets of card that I use for background. So today I think I want a blue background. Where is my blue card? Do I even have one? Purple. Here we go. I want this blue one, so I'm going to stick that on the wall there. And then we can get a film in. I can't really talk right now. Oh my god, I've beaten an amazing ventriloquist. How cool is this? I'm obsessed. This should be up on my channel by the time this video goes up. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, I love it. And my mouth is so dry though. And my house is covered in glitter. I've got all this mess. Also done this hand as well, so I can't really use this hand much. I guess next thing to do is make sure I've got all the pictures I want and then have a shower. Love this though so much. I just washed my hair, washed all the face paint off, popped to Sainsbury's, did a little food shop, had some quiche and salad for lunch, and now my PO box has just arrived. I just got it couriered and this was on top of the pile, and I'm so happy. I've never had one of these neck cushions for travelling before. I've always wanted one, and this one has a hood on it. Oh my god, I could have done with this when I went on holiday last week. But yeah, I'm like, this has really made me happy. It's cheered me up a lot. It's from, I think This Works sent it. Yeah, This Works sent it over. It's so kind of them. I haven't really looked in the rest of my PO box because I've got to leave to go to Circus in half an hour. And I should probably maybe make myself look a little bit more presentable for that. Still in a bad mood.
We did it last week. That's it, Katie. That's it. Yeah. Obviously, if you did it slightly high, it's super simple. Woo. But it travels down, obviously.
It hurts the back of your feet and the knees.
My essay.
Yeah.
It was really late last night. It was like really late. And it was, I finished at 6:30 and my class was 7:30. So it wasn't, you know.
Oh my god, I'm doing it! Woo! Oh my god! So,
Head back.
She's not very
I'm gonna fall.
She's
You're in the wrong place again. You need
they
to be
also
here.
don't know it's the middle.
That's it, really a bit bad.
Echo.
Okay, Benjamin.
Really.
Hey guys, it's Sunday today. I haven't vlogged in ages. I have come to my beautiful friend Sophie's for the day. We're going for a little walk, a hike. But look, they've got chickens. Can you stroke them?
If you want to.
I've done it, but he jumped away. She jumped
Stormzy does like.
Is that Stormzy?
Yeah.
Oh, look, I'm the chicken person.
You are?
They're gorgeous.
Hello. Will they bite?
So
No.
basically, this is collected.
This is so cool. Where are the eggs?
Around here? Normally.
How do they know where to lay them?
They've got their little section here. They just sit here and just chill out. One side for shitting, one side for...
This is so
They don't
cool.
sleep there. They sleep on the
Do they?
I don't know what it's called.
I'm vlogging you, I hope you don't mind.
A perch. That they
Chickens
just sit
don't
on.
sleep.
They do. They sleep on here though.
Oh.
And then they just sit here during the day when they want to lay.
They've got very good balance then. There you go. I'm going to feed the chickens.
Look, I'll-
I'd quite like to... Oh, let's see Joe doing this. Oh my god, that's so...
So they do like bite your hands, but it doesn't hurt.
What? Does anyone want some?
Yeah, literally, if you just cut it down, he'll come.
Harry or Sam?
You! Oh my god,
Ow, you fucker.
No, I'm not doing it. You both screaming.
Come on then.
Do you sing to them so?
I talk to them. Oh, we can see that one. Bum.
I always talk
Chicken.
slow. Go on, put your hand out. Put your hand out.
Where are the fingers? Where are the
Look, he's got his claws on.
This is fun.
They're hangry.
I love you.
Oh, you got a good stroke
Oh,
there.
you did.
That's the return.
They're going for
He
it.
goes with your outfit. He goes with your outfit, or she goes with your outfit.
This is the best day ever. I love you.
What do you prefer, Snooks? The chickens or the lambs?
The lambs. So we've come today. Oh! We've come today for a walk in Cheshire. Nice walk, ground ourselves with nature, and we're taking a path that rats are on. So now I'm looking for rats. Not often you see a massive rat. We've got the doggies on the walk as well. Can you tell this story again for my camera? Oh my god!
You can tell the story of Amy Mill.
Jenny just told me a story about Amy Mill. There's a mill there, and they called it Amy Mill because they found a woman in there and she was dead and her name was Amy.
Yeah.
And is that not true?
No, it's
I just got really excited at that. We'd stumbled across like
a murder.
We're doing like a Jack the Ripper walk in Cheshire.
Unfortunately not. Sorry about that.
That's alright.
But potentially we might see a rat.
So gullible. Where? We've seen a rat.
Did it?
I want to see one. We're foraging like in the Hunger Games for some, what are they called? Sloes, yeah. Sloes.
The fruit of the blackthorn.
Let's look in your pocket. Oh, I'm going to make some sloe gin.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's loads.
Walking the dog. So cute.
Oh my gosh, look at that house.
This view.
That's one at the top of
Sophia's dished up this amazing roast with dauphinoise, and she's made chocolate blondies with pistachio and almonds. So good. I've just got home, having a cuddle with this little one. It's been such a lovely day today. I really needed that, just an escape with friends in nature, good old catch up. It was really nice. What are you doing? It's like 9 o'clock. I'm probably just going to make a peppermint tea and a hot water bottle actually because I've got some cramps, and then get into bed. But I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I will see you next week. Mwah.